Cardboard, a newcomer, CapCut, a classic. This is a titan clash. Today we're going to put them head to head and figure out which one is actually better. So let's check them out. Okay, so we stumbled upon Cardboard, which is one of the AI video editors, but what they actually do is a lot more advanced than what some of its competitors are doing. Some of their core features include their agentic editing. So this turns talking heads, screen recordings, and B-rolls into finished videos automatically. This is fantastic. Also, you can describe edits in plain language, like make a 60-second recap, and Cardboard actually maps it to complex timeline ops. Also, it's got silence removal, color grading, 99% accurate captions, which is huge. There's always mistakes, but 99% is pretty good, as well as voiceovers for which are all AI powered. You also get live collaboration, which gives you real-time team editing and feedback without back and forth delays, which is great. You can all run on one account. You get talking head videos. This is great for talking head videos, vlogs and montages, and then also launch and explainer videos, which is absolutely fantastic. Having a look at some of their additional advantages here: speed and accessibility. Premiere Pro powered without the learning curve, basically. So its first cuts are generated in seconds and it's directly in your browser. It dramatically reduces editing time as well as costs, enabling teams to ship more videos and scale marketing efforts. You can also search footage by meaning, not only file names. This can also speed up asset delivery, and you can reuse across all of your projects. It's browser based, so there's no installations required. It's got strong startup pedigrees with the founders experienced in content creation as well as video production, and it's built for marketers, creators, and any product teams that are overwhelmed by slow manual workflows. Alright, let's get into the most amazing video editor you'll ever use in your entire life: CapCut. CapCut's designed for creators editing directly on your phone, which allows for on-the-go content creation. It also gives you a desktop version, which is amazing. It's got a full-fledged of features. It offers a wide array of visual effects, transitions, filters, making it easy to create captivating videos for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and basically anywhere else that you need to create a video for. You can access a robust library of free music, sound effects for complementing your content. You get an auto caption feature. It can generate captions for your content automatically, perfect for improving accessibility and audience engagement. You can remove or replace video backgrounds with ease, enabling creative possibilities for mobile creators as well as obviously on desktop. This is the green screen or the chroma key, and also offers fast exports for social media direct. So it's optimized for platforms like TikTok or YouTube. The settings are optimized to export, and you can quickly upload directly to these social media platforms with minimal hassle. It's got tons of features. It really is awesome. Like, it's free, and what more can I say? It's an amazing thing. One or two of their drawbacks, because I use it every day, unfortunately, their audio tools, they're a little bit more basic. If you are looking for advanced audio tools, within a video editor, it's not really going to do the job for you. Yeah, other than that, I think that is pretty much all of the disadvantages that I can think of. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen, AI powered video editors. There are so many to choose from. Which one is actually better? Well, the takeaway here is to go and use them and see which one fits your needs best. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.